Parts of speech. When we speak, we use different kinds of words. We call them parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Gandhiji was a great man. The sun rises in the east. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Girls were not singing. They were dancing. Rima worked hard. She got good marks. Adjective. An adjective adds something to the meaning of a noun. He is a brave boy. Many girls are absent today. Verb. A verb says something about a person, place, or thing. The lion is hunting. He lives in Delhi. Adverb. An adverb tells us when, where, or how the action of a verb takes place. It is raining outside. She was shouting loudly. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence. A cow is grazing in the garden. She stood under a tree. Conjunction. A conjunction is used to join words or sentences. The baby was crying because it was hungry. I worked hard but failed. Interjection. An interjection expresses some strong or sudden feeling. Hooray! We have won! Ah, today you are again late.